Excuse me, mate. Sorry to stop you. I'm a photographer.
Yeah.
I was wondering if I could get a photo of you for my social media. Is that all right? Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Legend.
I'm just filming for him as well. If that's
Yeah,
all
of
right,
course.
Yeah. Should I put my cookies actually?
Put the cookies down. Actually, what I'm doing, I'll come around this side, mate. That's because the backdrop's nice there. Lovely stuff. I'm gonna get a few face on, okay? Let's have a look. At first, I'll get you looking just across the road.
Sure.
That's it, mate. Perfect. And then let's get you looking back towards me, mate. That's it. Perfect. Let's get a few kind of 3/4 length. Let's just come round this side. That's it, mate. Perfect. Wonderful. And then just a full length one. Let's have a look. Legend. Thanks very much, mate.
I shoot the same setup.
I do.
2875 Tamron 2.8.
Yeah.
Yeah, A7. Yeah,
It's cheap, but it's amazing.
It's unbelievable. It's so good. My name's Louis, by the way.
What's your name?
Louis. Oh, nice to meet you.
I'm John. Hi, Louis.
Nice to meet you as well.
Can I get your social media
Yeah, of course you can.
thing, just so, because I'll send you the pictures and stuff.
I appreciate that.
Let's have a look. Alright, 1 minute. So this is my one here.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I'm starting doing like